Hi there, in this video I want to show you how to take screenshot with the help of 4 ways on your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. And the last way will be the most interesting, so I suggest you to watch this video till the end. Let's get started. So, the first way is simple and basic. You just need to press volume down and power buttons together at the same time like that. And now the screenshot is taken. You just need to tap this icon to see it and choose with the help of which app you want to open this screenshot. For example, let's select Gallery. Great. Now the next way, with the help of palm swipe to capture feature. So for that, we will need to open Settings, then go in the Advanced Features tab, and here select Motions and Gestures and enable this palm swipe to capture feature. Now you just need to make this gesture and the screenshot is taken. So as before, select with which app you want to open it. Now, the third way, you can take screenshots with the help of this Air Command icon. If you cannot see it, even when S Pen is removed, then we'll need to return back to the settings, to the advanced features, select S Pen, then go in the Air Command and enable the Show Air Command icon. Now just select it and choose Smart Select. And now you just need to select the form of this screenshot and draw on your screen like that, and the screenshot will be taken. To save it, just click this arrow. And the last way, you can take the screenshot with the help of this gesture. Let me show you. Just press this button on the S Pen and make this swipe gesture. And now the screenshot is taken. If something does not work in your case, you just need to go in the settings. Then in S Pen settings, here choose Air Actions, and for this select Screen Write. And that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you for watching.